Dapat pipindutin mo muna pala.
Saan tayo?
Tapos na tayo?
Oh. Ito, gusto pa umupo dito.
Dirty. Marian, say hi. Say hi. Marian, say hi. Hi. Say hi.
Kain ka.
What's that, Marian? What? What's that? Pizza? Pizza? Ooh!
Hindi mo abot eh. Tingnan mo. O, dito na ako.
There's Marian. Asan na siya? Dito ka lang, Marian.
Bigyan mo sa kanya.
Oh wait Marian What will you say, Marian? Bye, Marian. Bye, Costco.
O, dito kang baka biglang tapak yung mahal.
Marian, dito ka lang.
Oh, ang dami.
Marian, what are you buying? Shopping apricot. Apricot. Count. Count how many apricots. How many apricots you have? How many? Count them. 2, 3, 4. Only 4. Namimili si Marian ng apricot sa HEB. Shopping spree si Marian from all the supermarkets. Oh, Marian. Teka. Okay, print. Marian, print mo. Ayun, this one, hit this one. Print that. Hit that. Ayun, there is the receipt of apricot. Wait. Where's the red bell pepper? Show me. Which one? Show me. The red? What is this? What color? Green. And this one? Red. Very good. Asan si Marian?
A-M-S. Diba alagay? Sam's. Oh, ano naman tayo?
Paano ko siya malalapit?
Sam's. Ayun.
Ito, nako. Dito naman si Marian. Punta naman kami ng Sam's Club. Talagang si Marian. Namamalengke.
No, Sam's.
Hello! Hello! Hi! Are you?
Alam mo, nagmakandang ba yan? Video?
Hi!
Hi!